the hell is that?
Bug. Why don't you tell that thing to get test a little bit?
Guess we ate enough of that. Want to smell my hand again? And go, yeah!
This is so fucking good. You really miss the landscaping business, huh? This is the only thing that I did that actually worked.
You know, I forgot Baby Crab's walk. He walks like a girl.
Yeah, a little bit.
Believe it. Did you get him swatting bugs? Whoa!
No, but I just got you.
Hello, your landscaper's here.
Oh, I'm telling you, this is good, huh?
Why don't you call Tommy and say, hold on a second.
Yeah, hold on. Hold on, just grab the landscape.
Brian got him so good before. It's fucking unbelievable.
I got him so good before. Alright, let me go. Bobin's beeping in. Click.
Alita's got the evidence right now.
Now I'm trying to look for a right angle to take a picture.
For me, there's no right angle. Can I have one of these, Herman?
Absolutely, you can ask. Just making sure you took the one with the cigarettes in it. One of them's empty. What time we got now? So I know what time I need my next fruit pie.
Are we going to lunch, anybody?
Well, I gotta drive him to fucking